Hi, this is amazing, Kant. Well, I have a person asking, um, a forum members asking these questions, right? So suppose that you have column for A, B, B, C, D, D, E. So you want to extract only those data that is not duplicate, which is C and the E. So which means that it only occur one time in the whole list, right? So we can make use of the count if functions. So right here, so we make use of these count if functions, right? And we highlight these, right? The whole column. So for we will turn this into a table, Excel table, right? Let's just do one more time, right? So I will have this equal count if. Okay, and then I want to have this whole column. So I have the table, and I want something from this VC column, and I want to check in this whole list how many times does the same this VC number, this particular VC number occur. So well, let's just head enter. Right, I can see that this number right, occur um one times and four times right out of this list. So we can just do a filter. Then that is the list of the things that the list of the unique. It doesn't repeat, right? It doesn't repeat. Only one time cell, right? Which is this. Okay. So yeah, that's it, right? So now suppose that you also want to know not only that one, but you want something that only one and package. How to do that, right? Again, you can use another one. It's called count if s. So again, this is a table, right? In this table one, right? I want to check this easy column and I want to check this particular column. But not only that, I'm also interested in the table in this type, right? It must be equals to the word package. Okay, so package and then close bracket and enter. Okay, you can see that. So package, that doesn't work, right? I think we got to change, right? Not only that, yeah, I gotta have another column. It should be, we should checking on this column. That's column table one, column one, right? Which equals to one. Count if this column is 1 equal to 1 and the type is equal to packages. Should get you that. No, no, no. This we will not use count if. We use the m function then. N equals to 1, comma, and this equals to type. Alright, so the one who says true is the one that match with we have a package, and also it only occur one time. This is the list. All right, that is using, well, depends on the situation, right? You do need to use a different functions. So how do you it just your creativity will come when you have intentions, right? Strong intentions to help others, right? So when you have greater responsibility, greater power will be with you. Remember, think you're amazing, believe you're amazing, and you can do amazing things. Thank you. I wish you well. And also, I want to thank you, this gentleman, Bilap Das.